How to download and install Roblox on your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps on how you can download Roblox on your Play Store. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Play Store in your Android device, and once the Play Store appears you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, simply click onto the search button at the bottom, and onto the search bar simply search for Roblox and then hit the enter button. Now from here you can see this is the official Roblox game, so simply tap onto this and click onto this install button. As you can see, it is around 122 megabytes. So then once the downloading of the Roblox application finishes, it will automatically get installed into your Android device. And once the Android device has successfully finished installing Roblox onto your device, you can see this option that says play. So simply click onto this play button, and now here you can see that Roblox has been successfully launched on our Android device. So that's how easily you can download and install Roblox in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.